What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. We got pink stand mixers in the house today. Pink KitchenAid mixers, as a matter of fact. Today, we're celebrating everything pink. We have the raspberry ice. We have the original Cook for the Cure pink. And I managed to score something on Facebook Marketplace this week to round out our collection. Welcome to the Amy Learns Cook Kitchen. So what's up, cooks? It is Wednesday. We're halfway through the July, and it is hot as a firecracker out there. I don't know if you remember, but starting back in around 2000 to 2010, KitchenAid partnered with the Susan Komen Foundation and did a charity mixer for breast cancer research. The very first mixer that came out was this one. This is the Cook for the Cure Pink. And this was the one actually I ended up getting first. Sort of. I bought one of these. For some reason, the bowl didn't fit right or something, so I took it back. And when I went back, they didn't have any more. So I bought the raspberry ice, which turned out to be another version of the Cook for the Cure. So this was the first mixer, and this was the third one. Came in the design series. Came in this hot raspberry ice color with the glass bowl. This is the original bowl that came with it. So I think this was it ended up being about 2011, maybe. This was about 2000. This was about 2011. Something came in between these three. So in this series, I think KitchenAid thought that they had people that wanted to get a mixer that commemorated breast cancer research and provided funding for it, but they didn't want an all pink mixer. So in between these two, there was another Cook for the Cure mixer that came out, I think around 2008, and that was the white with the pink band. So, was that the end of it? No. I since learned that I think there was a flamingo that came after this one that was a Cook for the Cure. But, yeah, I don't have that one. So, over the weekend, I was looking around on Facebook Marketplace, and I found this baby. Eric's been out mowing the lawn, and he's covered in grass.
I'm former Ebu. That's what happens. Amy asked me a dumb question. And I can only ask her, what does that mean? I guess we're getting ready to go on a road trip. And I'm like, why? And because she's all excited.
You knew it was coming.
What kind of man would I be if I would not want my wife to be happy? And what makes her happy?
Mixers.
So there you go. And the rest is the story.
So, what did I find, right? This is the original, this is the Ultra Power, and it is brand new, still sealed in the box. The original box. This mixer here has been in the original box since 2008. So today we're going to be opening up a mixer that has been in its cage for 18 years. It has never been touched by human hands. Well, except at the factory, right? So this mixer should be completely clean, right? It is. Came from store 2816. So look there you go. This mixer has not been used in 18 years. And at first I was like, should we not take it out of the box because it is an original, never used, still in the box? But why would we do that, right? This poor mixer's been in this box too long. There's nothing good with the mixer that just sits in the box. We want to see the beauty of this mixer out. We want to use it. The reason it was made is for cooking, right? We want this mixer out of here. This is not a baseball card where you keep sealed in the box, right? This is a mixer. We want it out of here. This is an 18-year-old mixer, old new stock. Someone bought it, put it in their storage unit, and never used it.
This thing's almost old enough to drink some alcohol. Wow.
18 years, my baby. Woo! 18 years, I'm freeing ya. 18 long years. Wow. This baby has been in the box, and now no longer.
Well, that's a long time out.
Whoa. Well, the box has been having a good time on it. Yeah, it's going to have to be dusted off because the box kind of deteriorated on it.
Aww.
So back in the olden days, they were advertising all their mixer attachments. Here's I think that's the grinder, right? Mm-hmm. More than a mixer. Cute. And then here is our mixer. Cook for the Cure, Susan Coleman. There's a little mixer with the pink band. I think this mixer was made in response to people not necessarily wanting it all pink, right? Mm-hmm. Why someone wouldn't want all pink, I don't know. Ooh, is a rat gonna jump out on me? Or a snake? Ooh, 18 years? You're coming on out, baby.
You have to savor this moment, Boo.
I am savoring it. Here is the manual.
Ooh.
From 18 years ago.
They give you a nice manual.
Now they just give you a little scrap.
Be careful, Boo.
Oh, nice. Burnished.
Yeah.
Burnished paddle. Burnished dough hook. We got burnished all the way around here.
No dishwasher for you.
No. Can you imagine this is still brand stinking new? Ooh. What a box dust on it. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute with the pink band. I needed a white for my rainbow of mixers, and I did. I got a white with pink band. So we have our paddle or our whisk, burnished.
How's the power for it?
I mean, there's a lot of like box dust in here, just because that box is kind of breaking down. So here's our bowl.
But look what they did back in the day, Boo.
What?
The spring.
There's a spring!
Yeah.
Wow.
That's pre-2014-15.
Yep. Here's our mixer. Let me wipe it off real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a paddle on here. I'm not going to use this burnished paddle. For the very first time in 18 years, ladies and gentlemen, the Cook for the Cure white with the pink band is going to show us what it can do.
Oh!
Oh, it's touching the bowl a little bit. I'm gonna have to adjust that head a little bit. Sounds like an ultra power. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this, Boo? White with pink band, pink and raspberry. There is another one that came on later for Cook for the Cure, and it's flamingo. But I don't know if I haven't seen those. I've seen a couple on eBay, but I've never seen really one in real life or on Facebook Marketplace. So who knows? So here is the pink band. Look at how cute that is. I wish they would sell this band separate. Then I could put one of these bands on this mixer here and have pink on pink. Why doesn't KitchenAid sell these, like different colors?
Like orange.
Is it because it identifies the model and the watts and they don't want to screw that up?
Well, yeah. Yeah, that would be different.
I don't know. So cute.
Your pink's an Artisan. This isn't.
So cute. Yeah, but the model number's underneath. Who cares anyway? I just want to mix it that I love, right? I just want to take a quick opportunity to thank the person who sold me this mixer on behalf of her mother. Her mother bought it. She had a couple other things in there that she never used either. And she had one of these ceramic bowls that's purple, which I know is very hard to find, but she had already sold it. So thank you. Let your mother know that this mixer came to a home that absolutely loves it. Yay! Thank you for joining me. Have a great Wednesday. Thanks for joining me and see you next time.